Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you tips on how to keep your sweaters, your coats, your oversized blazers in place all day long to avoid ripping like what happened to mine. And also I'm going to be touching a little bit on Finnish independence and on Finland being voted one of the most racist countries in Europe. Stay tuned. All day long. I love wearing blazers. I love oversized blazers like the one we have here, but to keep them up, you know, when I go to meetings or networking events, I keep talking and I do this all the time, and this has resulted into this jacket ripping so badly that I think it's actually beyond repair. So today I'm gonna be teaching you a trick in order to avoid all this happening to your favorite blazers. So all you're gonna need is 2 hairbands, yeah? Just 2 tight hairbands, and you are going to fold your coat up into your desired length, like mine, really high. So then you put your band there, you can pull it down a little bit and then pull down to cover the band. Okay, there you go. I like my buttons showing, you know, they're so cute. I love this vintage buttons. So there you go, and then on to the next one. You do the same thing, pull it up, and then I like to put it under, just a little over the last button here. There you go, and then you pull it down and cover it, and voila, all day long. Yeah, I love it. Sometimes the bands might be too tight for you, so check that your blood is still flowing, or get one that is looser. It's just going to hold just right. I want to congratulate Finland on 101 years of independence. That is unbelievable. That's amazing. Congratulations, Finland. And also, I see things are moving wonderfully well here. But about 2 weeks ago, there are statistics showing that Finland is the most racist country for people of African descent. I want to encourage everyone who is discouraged and who felt like giving up, and who wondered, why do you even need to try? I want to encourage you to keep trying, because there are so many channels out there to help you without discrimination. Are the smartest group of people I know in this country and even around Europe. People with PhDs and amazing ideas. Let's come out and share of ourselves and take part in everything and make room for ourselves by using our gifts. Platforms out there that are in place to help you with anything you need, from starting a business to getting funding to all those amazing things. I want us to focus more on how we can move forward positively and not dwell on this negativity. It can bring you down and it will make you not even want to try. But I want to encourage you to actually go out there and start to bring a positive change by being a participant. Let's focus on building each other. Let's focus on building, and also this also is to encourage you not to tear each other down. We need to support one another. We need to come together and rise up, rise beyond the hatred, rise beyond the stigma, and rise beyond everything that people think that we are, because I know you have to prove 50 times more than your ordinary person, but I want to encourage you that it is all right. I know at least now we can have this conversation, but I hope that we can also still continue to move forward positively. Starting whatever it is that you want to do, you must do it. You must have a voice. That is your voice. Whatever you feel in your heart that you want to share with us, that is your voice. Let's make a contribution in this nation. Let's make a contribution. Let's rise up. Let's rise beyond that. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well to know when the videos are coming up. Thank you so much.